How to make clone app in Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you how you can make a clone app on Samsung, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Samsung basically offers you two ways to do this. One is that you can actually create a dual account. So if you have two WhatsApp, you can use two WhatsApp by creating second WhatsApp account. So for this, open the settings app on your Samsung device, then simply go to the option called advanced features. Under advanced features, one of the options you'll find here is called dual messenger, that will allow you to sign into your favorite social apps. So tap on dual messenger. Now simply select the application that you want to clone. So let's say I want dual WhatsApp, for example. I'll select WhatsApp. I'll turn this on and it asks me install a second copy of WhatsApp. I'll just tap the install button, tap on confirm, and then I can choose to use a separate contact list if that's what I want, or I can just tap on next, tap on OK, and then it will create a second copy of WhatsApp, which I can just use to go ahead and then basically sign in to my another WhatsApp account. So right here, if I show you, this is my main WhatsApp over here. So let me just go ahead and show you. This is my main WhatsApp. Another WhatsApp account has been created with the another app over here. So this way I can create a clone on Samsung. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.